So hi, my name is Harold Q. Gardon. I brand myself as the Millennial Wealth Planner. Primarily what I do as a financial advisor is I help people in their finances. Okay, my working day is composed of a lot of things. I usually start my day by preparing my lesson plans, and then I teach as a college professor. And then in the afternoon or in the evening, I do my client meetings. When I don't have meetings, I usually record the contents for my vlogs and my YouTube. And every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, I have this Facebook and YouTube live called Late Night Tambayan, wherein we invite millennials and we talk about personal finance and life in general. And especially in the evening, I have my law classes. So before the quarantine or before this setup, I usually meet my clients personally. I usually go to classes to teach or to learn. But now the problem is we don't have a choice but to do it online. And aside from the connectivity issues, the main problem are the external noises. So here, this is a relatively new building and there are a lot of constructions and renovations which I can't control. There are times wherein I'm telling something or I'm explaining a financial concept to my client. And same with some of my classes wherein after explaining a few paragraphs, I need to repeat what I've said because the receiver or the one who I'm talking with cannot understand clearly what I'm trying to say. What I usually do to minimize those uncontrollable noises, sometimes I need to move to another room or sometimes I need to tell to my wife to be quiet or to delay the chores so she cannot cook or she cannot wash the dishes. Sometimes when she's watching a movie, we have no choice but to turn it off. For the animals and for the construction, I just can't do anything but to mute my mic and just apologize to my clients or to those that I'm talking with. Fortunately, I was provided by an ASUS TUF Gaming H3 headset and an AI noise cancelling mic adapter. And this changed my life. The headset is very comfortable to use and the mic is very clear. At the same time, the sounds that comes from the headset, I can hear everything very nice. What it made it awesome and revolutionary is the AI noise cancelling adapter. It made my voice clearer. It canceled out the external noises and even asked my wife to shout from the other end of the unit, and the one that I'm speaking with cannot hear it. It was able to cancel not only the animals but also the drilling from the other unit and the construction from the other side of the building. And I think this is what is the most important. According to a client of mine that I have talked with last night, my voice is very good. No? It's like a bedroom voice and it adds this quality of the service that I can do to those that I serve. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name again is Harold Q. Gardon. I'm the Millennial Wealth Planner. At sa channel na to, dinidiscuss natin yung mga complicated financial concepts as simple as possible. And also, we give hashtag adulting and millennial hacks for us to thrive in this new economy. This headset and adapter will not only improve my life but also the lives of the people around me. As a financial advisor, I can be of more service to my clients and they can understand the complicated financial concept. As a teacher, my students will learn more. As a vlogger or as someone who wants to become a social media influencer, I can have more viewers because the external sound won't distract them. As a law student, it will help me to get better grades when my teacher asks during recitation. So this AI adapter and headset, I believe, is not only just a want but a need because during this time, those external noises or those distractions can make or break a sale. It can be a deciding factor if you will have more viewers or none. If you are an aspiring social media influencer or a YouTuber, it can make you an effective teacher or a mediocre one. And lastly, in law school, it can be a deciding factor if you will pass or fail during recitations. So at the end of the day, if you want to be of better service to your clients, customers, or target market, and be better than competition, this headset and adapter is a must and should be an essential part of your daily setup.